I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love.
Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, it's the 4th entry for my diaries. And ngayon nandito ako sa park, naglalakad ako. Kasama ko si Lolo. And it's currently feeling ko mga 4:40 ganun. So yun, gumising ako na maaga and I went here. Dahil wala lang, I just wanna go here. Ayun, ano ba? Just gonna see you later kung anong gagawin ko. I don't know, pero naglalakad kami ngayon. Ngayon, like, natataas ko yung camera kasi like, ang konti pa lang ng tao. Like, girl, may isang tao lang na hindi ko kailangang naglalakad dito. So, I mean, dalawa pala. That's it. But I'm gonna update you later pag may gagawin ako. Right now, I'm walking. Walking. Ayun, naglalakad din si Lolo. Sumasayaw siya. Slay. O, diba? Magpa-perform kasi ako guys. Kaya nire-ready na nila. Kaya, yeah, slay.
Ay, ikot pa tayo. Papahinga lang kung dahil ko lang ikot eh.
Tignan mo, nakatingin siya sa akin.
Dali ko yung patuloy na lang yung patuloy.
Tignan mo, Lot, na malapit siya sa akin, Lot. Hi. Wala, tinitingnan niya. Tinitingnan ako ng turtle. Ayun na, malapit na siya sa akin. Hi. Ay, lumayo. Bakit? Ala, nakatingin siya sa akin talaga. Sinaside eye niya ako. Bakit ako sinaside eye? Tinitingnan ako ng turtle. Dito. Uwi na, bye. Uwi na,
dagnas pawis na kami.
So, nandito ako sa pet shop. And now, we're celebrating New Year. Nandito sila, nandiyan. Ayun, we're celebrating New Year and I'm just gonna be inserting mga clips kung ano mangyayari. And yeah.
California, never been to LA, so I'll stay home, write these songs.
Saan tayo? Doon. Asan tayo? Doon. Doon. Nandito kami ngayon sa Araneta City kasi pupunta kami ng Fiesta Carnival. I-treat kami nila lolo't lola. Wow! I-treat kami nila lolo't lola. Ayun. Makikita nyo mamaya anong gagawin namin. Bye!
And it's always gone too fast, like a trip to the beach or the life of James Dean.
Dito na kami. Ang ganda. Oh my gosh! Jay, happy ka ba, Jay? Jay, sa kayo nila. Saan punta?
Haven't seen my twin brother, I keep missing his calls. It's funny just how easily a family can drift apart. Finally getting married to an angel in human form, but I still think about Nashville. We're staying near the right chord, and it's always gone too fast, like a trip to the beach or the life of James Dean. And it kills me to think I'm avoiding the pill I can't swallow. And it comes, but it won't last, like you're watching your life waiting for the good. And what kills me is I've been avoiding the happy ending. So I lay here, watch the ceiling fan go round and round, and it's always gone too fast.
Kakain na po kami. Punta po kami ngayon sa Chopstick House. Doon daw kami kakain. Hindi ko pa natatry doon, pero doon daw kami kakain. Look. Yan, tumatawid po kami ngayon. Kain po tayong Chopstick House. That's it for today's vlog. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. And always remember to have some time for yourself and make yourself happy. Bye!